In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase GTA 5 from Steam. This is a straightforward process, so let's dive right in and make sure you can start playing in no time. First, you'll need to open your Steam application. Make sure it's up to date to avoid any issues as we go along. Once it's open, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the login button. If you haven't yet logged in, click there. Enter your account name and password in the login fields. Double check your credentials to ensure they are correct to avoid any unnecessary hiccups. Once you're logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the Steam homepage. Here you'll type in GTA 5 and press enter. This will bring up the game's store page. Feel free to browse through the page a bit. It often helps to read the description and check out user reviews to ensure it meets your expectations. Now, when you're ready to proceed, click on Add to Cart. This action will include the game in your purchase queue. Head over to the cart by clicking on it, usually at the top right of the page, just like most online stores. Once in your cart, you will see an option to continue to payment. Select that to move forward. At this stage, you will need to select a payment method. Steam offers various options like credit cards, PayPal and more, so pick the one that suits you best. Enter all the required details. This step is crucial, so keep your information handy and ensure it's entered correctly. Next up, click continue. And upon successful payment, you should receive an email receipt confirming your purchase. Keep an eye on that email just in case you need it for future reference. Once you have that confirmation, return to your Steam application. Now let's activate your new game. Go to the Games menu at the top of the Steam window and select Activate a Product on Steam. Enter the product keycode that you received in your email, then click Confirm. Once activated, GTA 5 will appear in your Steam library. It's just a few clicks away from being installed on your device. Find it in your library, click install and watch your progress as it downloads and installs. Depending on your internet speed, this could take some time, so feel free to step away while it completes. Finally, once the download and installation are complete, you're ready to jump in and start playing. Find the game in your library, double click to open it, and immerse yourself in the world of Grand Theft Auto 5. And there you have it, a complete guide to purchasing and setting up GTA 5 through Steam. Enjoy your gaming experience.